Hi there, welcome to Bitesize Piano. In this tutorial I'm going to teach you how to play the very famous riff on the piano of Guns N' Roses' Sweet Child of Mine. It's mainly based around all the black notes, though all the notes are separate. So here is middle C on my piano. So the left hand is going to start from the C sharp, and then the right hand is going to start on the C sharp above that one. And it's going to go C sharp, C sharp, G sharp, F sharp, and then up to this F sharp, G sharp, F, G sharp. And then it does that again. And then you're going to change from the C sharp to the D sharp and do the same pattern. And then you're just going to play the F sharp. So all together, very slowly, it sounds like this. I'll try and move my other fingers out of the way. And now sped up. So that concludes your tutorial on how to play that riff on the piano. I hope that you have enjoyed it and that it's been useful. Please give it a big thumbs up if it has. If you have any more really famous guitar riffs that you'd like piano tutorials on, please comment them down below. If you're new here, please consider subscribing to Bitesize Piano. I'd love to have you here learning from my piano tutorials. Go check out my many other tutorials on my channel. If you can't find what you're looking for there, go and request a piano tutorial following the link in the comment section below. So your request could be coming up soon. So I hope to see you in future videos. Bye bye!